All right, so next. So again, we do the same. Okay, so this one says this brand is known to file IP complaints, right? So we also use IP Alert as another software, right? To help with this. Do you guys know about that? IP Alert? So IP Alert, if you guys don't have it,
Yeah,
yeah. It's
Louis,
gonna block you from
but
selling brands that you, huh? Sorry.
I'm sorry, I was gonna ask about that IP alert. I got it back when you showed it to us.
Right.
Um, and but do we always go by that though, or should we always look at the how many sellers there are on that product?
Hmm. Well, me personally, if this one shows up, I just stay away.
You do?
Yeah, because I
Because
don't want
what
you
I've been
selling
doing
this.
is I've
Mhm.
been looking to see how many sellers there are, and if I see there's like 5, 6, 7 sellers, I'm thinking maybe it's not uh,
Yeah.
an IP. I don't know.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Because this one has like 15 sellers, I think, right here. Yeah, right. 15 sellers. Yeah. I mean, it's really up to you. But me personally, I just stay away from it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's up to you guys. But let's just run the numbers, right? Just for practice. So again, check if the products match. So hydro flask, 32 ounce, wide mouth bottle with flex cap. Same. Wide mouth, 32 ounces. Watermelon color. So there's no watermelon. Yeah, there's no watermelon color. You see the color, guys? It says watermelon, right?
Mhm.
This one has no watermelon, so skip. You guys agree? So skip. Next.
Hey, Louis, can I ask you a question?
Mhm.
So one of the items you sent me today was bumblebee tuna or some starfish, something about tuna. It
Uh-huh.
was, you had to buy like 48 cans, but it would have been a good deal. You made like $15 per sale. I thought, oh my God, it's so good to be true. So then obviously I couldn't sell it because it was tuna. But like, you know that thing we're supposed to buy 10 of something? I was like, okay, I can buy 10 cans of tuna. That's easy. But then you can never actually buy tuna from a company. Did you know that? So how
Mm-mm.
do you get like cleared? I know this is random, but like the tuna is selling like crazy, like canned tuna.
Right.
So how can you get ungated and like canned tuna if you can't buy from like if I know Nike you can buy from Nike, but like how do you buy
Right.
from
Wait, were you gated?
yeah.
Oh, well, well, I'm gated on that product. So
No, I was gated. I couldn't they wouldn't let me buy. They wanted me
mm,
to send proof of purchase of
right.
but then
Well,
it had to be from it had to be from a direct distributor. So I tried Googling like
mm,
where's like a starfish plate company and I couldn't find one. Like I don't think you can actually buy from
mm.
Star.
No, no, but I'm telling you that I can sell that product. I can
Uh,
sell that product.
oh, okay.
It
So
just
you
takes
think
like it takes more experience. So what I would do is I would just save that product
I'll
and
give you
maybe
the
try
ASIN.
again next month. Huh?
I'll give you the ASIN for it. Make like $13 per
Right.
order.
Yeah, so I would just save that ASIN and then maybe try again next month.
Okay.
Because in like a month, maybe, you're gonna be auto ungated on that product.
Okay.
Make sense?
So eventually all of the products will get ungated on our own.
Yeah. You get auto ungated. Yeah, so
Um,
that that's why I just keep selling because you're gonna get auto ungated to like sell more products. That's why I'm trying to get you guys to sell so that does that make sense? That way you guys can get auto ungated faster because once you're auto ungated, then you can sell more products. It's easier to scale, right? Instead of you being limited. So
Louis,
yeah.
I wanted to ask you remember how as soon as I sold that one product, Amazon sent me an email saying that now I can switch my shipping to like premium shipping. Just
Right.
ignore all those emails.
Yeah, Amazon is always gonna email you because they're trying to sell you stuff.
So just the settings that we have for shipping, like whoever bought my MAC eyeshadow, I didn't do anything with the shipping. Amazon does it automatically.
Yeah, it's automatic. It's always gonna be Prime. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, you're good. All right, next product. So again, just check if the products match. So Winco AFPI 8NH. So 8 inches. Yeah, 8 inch. The same, guys? Looks the same, right? You guys agree? The product looks the same. So yes, someone said yes. Okay, so it's the same product. So now you get the price from your supplier, which is $17.08. Oh, did we lose it? Sorry, guys. So 17.08. So now you plug this number here. 17.08. Then the sale price. Let me see. So the buy box price is $41.76. So I will plug this number here. 41.76. So at this number, you're getting like a 40% ROI. 156 sales a month. And about $6 in profit, right? So it looks good. And then from here, you would go look at other sellers, which looks good too. So basically, you're sharing about 150 sales a month with 6 other sellers with this much inventory, right? So is this, well, so it's a verdict. Is this a good buy?
Yes.
You guys buy this?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
150 sales a month, and you're sharing sales with the 6 other sellers. So to me, this is gonna sell like pretty fast. You guys agree? Yeah. And then if you want to check like a little more, you can go to Keepa. You look at the pink line, the buy box line. I'll just remove this one right here. To make it more simple on you guys. So if you look at the price here in Keepa, it's selling at about 37 bucks. From 37 to like 42, right? It goes up and down. But to me, the most accurate price is the price here of other sellers, right? So these 4 sellers are selling this product at $35, which is good. And then the bottom 2 sellers are selling this product for like 41 bucks. So would you guys buy it?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Pretty good, right? Yeah, so this one's a buy.
Will you share the ASIN on that one?
Yeah, sure, it's right here. So here, if you guys want to look at this product right there. Free product.
Being such a high ROA, Louis, would you get more than 10 or would you play it safe?
Good question. That's a personal choice. But yes, I usually do. If I'm pretty sure about the product, I usually go for like 20, 30 units. But if you're like, if you want to play it safe, you can do 10 at a time. So buy 10. And then when they sell out, buy 10 again.
And at 20, 30 units, would that basically mean that how does it know that it's buying from each person? Does that have a question?
Oh, yeah. So the sales would like rotate to the sellers that are priced fairly, right? So meaning the 150 sales, right, a month, are gonna be shared by these first four sellers right there. Because they're the cheapest, right? But it's kind of weird though, because the buy box, if you look at the buy box,
Yeah.
this guy who priced it here is there in the buy box, right? You see it?
Mhm. Yeah.
But to keep it simple, like the sales are gonna be shared by these sellers right here. This is gonna rotate.
Oh, okay. Got
Yeah,
it.
so you guys are competing, but you
Yeah.
guys are really sharing sales with each other.
Gotcha. Can you
Yeah.
explain how it's only 10% ROI?
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because these four sellers here are pricing their products lower. If you notice it.
Mm,
So they're pricing it lower and they're taking like a lower margin to make more sales. Or like faster sales.
got it.
Yeah. All
But
right.
isn't
So
the total cost, well, the cost of it is $17.
yeah, so the cost is $17.
Break that down for me real quick, please.
Yeah. So the cost is $17, right? And the selling price is 41 bucks. So at this price, you're getting a 40% ROI or a $6 profit.
Gotcha.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So if you sell 10, then you make 67 bucks.